Hi everybody, Steve Kantor here, our latest listing brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, the agency and Team Moving Niagara. Today we're shooting media at 3 Phyllis Street in the border town of Fort Erie. This one either has 4 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms and an office, your choice. It's perfect for the investor, the retiree, or the first-time buyer. And priced at under $400,000, it's a definite must-see. So let's show them, Thomas.